Today I'm going to be making a garden egg with Irish potato Takari. And here I have some saltfish that I'm going to be putting in there. Irish potato, garden egg, some onion, garlic, pepper, curry, black pepper. And I'm going to be, it's like a vegetarian dish. You know, it's no meat at all. The fish, the saltfishes are meat today. And this is very delicious. The only thing that is going to be missing from this dish is some susumber, and we cannot get it here. But it's delicious in there. So if you're going to be making this dish, don't forget to add some susumber if you're a lover of susumber. Okay, catch you when I'm about to begin. Okay, so now I am cutting up my eggplant, which is called garden egg in Jamaica, right? We're going to burn some seasoning now, saute a little onion, some curry and black pepper, all of them together. And then we're going to throw in our potatoes and our eggplant and let it cook down. You will see it. Now we're going to burn a little of the curry and some black pepper. Yeah, so there it is. This is a very delicious dish and a very healthy dish. Yeah. Oh my God. And I was soaking the saltfish before, but I finished picking it up. As you saw it on the counter there before. Yeah, these garden eggs are so nice. And my son planted these garden eggs. Yes, he's the one that planted them and picked them and said, "Mommy, you want to make something with this?" Sure. This is my favorite dish. What do you mean if I want to make something with it? And a lot of the Indian side of down there who love the dal and things like that. They love this dish too. It's it's a part of their culture dish too. The Takari with the garden egg, susumba, Irish potato, saltfish, nice. And like I said before, it's very healthy. Yeah. And once more, my husband is in the kitchen with me, right? This is my husband here, my prep chef, right? He prep up everything, Yeah. Yeah. Yes. All right, so we're going to cut the video for a little while until we're ready to throw in these things. I'm going to add in some curry to this and let it burn for a little while. That should be about it, a spoonful and a half. Regular spoon, and about a teaspoon of black pepper. going to throw my eggplant in there. Boy. Oh, yes. I'm going to put in the potatoes too now. And then in a little while we put in our saltfish. I need a little pot. Can you give me that little pot over there? Not yet. Looking good, right? Won't that look good? Okay, I'm going to put some water in there and just cover it down. And just let it nice cook down as soon as it starts bubbling up and cooking down. I'm going to get in a little bit more water, and then we're going to put in the saltfish and pretty much let it cook till the eggplant dissolve, the garden egg dissolve. Okay, we'll catch you in a bit. Now we're ready to put the saltfish into the pot with the garden egg and the potato cooking up. And let it stay there and boy, it's already picked up. Now, you see this here? This is the saltfish bone. I love this piece of saltfish bone. See it? This is it. It helps to flavor the pot. Miss Little, tell me about this piece of saltfish bone here, because I know you love it too, just like me. And okay, friends, remember we did not put any salt into this pot because we're going to put saltfish in there, which has a little salt in there, right? So here it is now, the saltfish is in and it's cooking in, right? Now you can eat it with roti, you can eat it with fried dumpling. I made some rice over here and it's nice with rice, right? So we're on the finishing touch of this right now. So what I am going to do, I will just put a little piece of maybe margarine in there. Just a little touch of it. And that will be it. Just going to put a little piece of it in there. I will show you how much. See it here? About this much. And wow. No. Auntie Esme, if you're out there and you're watching, this dish is for you, right? Your favorite dish. Takari. This is your favorite dish, the Takari. So enjoy it. You owe me big time. Okay. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Right? Thank you all for watching and have a blessed day. Thanks again.